Welcome to Christian Rifle Club. It's July 22nd. We're at the Phoenix Range. This is the No.4 Mark II. It's an Irish contract rifle. It's referred to as a blondie. The serial number prefix is PF, and the numerical sequence falls in line with the Irish contract series. Identifiable is the brass butt clip, and we're going to be running with the stripper clips and the magazine loaded for 10 rounds. Stripper clips has two different techniques. One is staggered over under, and the other one is straight line. The spike bayonet is atypical of the Lee Enfield No.4 Mark II. We're going to be firing it today at Phoenix Range, so we hope that you enjoy. Once again, welcome to Christian Rifle Club. I hope you enjoy and subscribe. Guys, is going to be shooting the No.4 Mark II for the first time. It was referred to as the blondie. It's an Irish contract model, as we referred to earlier. It's 303 British, and we're going to be shooting Remington UMC 174 grain, right?
Yep.
Okay, so without further ado, we'll let Elijah take over. It's first time shooting the Lee Enfield No.4 Mark II. It's a fine specimen in excellent shape. Thank you for watching Christian Rifle Club. God, guns, and family.
So what we're going to do is first we're going to do 10 shots of this Remington 174 grain 303 British out of the Lee Enfield through the magazine. These are going to be my first shots with the rifle. And then after we're done the 10 rounds, we're going to be doing 2 5-round stripper clips. So let's go.
And I'll be spotting on the scope.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go for 3.
Oh, failure to chamber. There we go, we're chambered. Okay, let's go again. Woo! Woo! Holy Mary, Mother of God.
You're 3 inch to the right and 4 inch low.
Okay. So far, no rib lock. Pattern's working.
2 inch to the right. Come to 2 inch to the left. 2 inch high.
Huh?
You're dead center now. Go up 3 inch high. Dead center, 2 inch more high.
Okay.
One inch to the left, 4 inch high.
Okay.
Bullseye.
Woohoo! First bullseye.
So, right in the middle. You want to push this in a little bit more? A little bit more?
Flyer.
You sure?
Yep. Into the left, 1 inch, 3 in, 1 down, 3 to the left. To the right.
Oh, by the way, your camera stopped filming.
We like I think.
Next to bullseye, half inch to the right.
Okay. I think we're out.
Okay, thank you
Yep.
for watching Christian Rifle Club. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you subscribe.